There's the gutter on the back of our house. It's fairly dry today, and it doesn't really look bad. You'll see in a minute what the problem is. It turns out that this is the problem. When the geniuses put this up, they didn't nail to every one of the roost joists, just every other one. When they put the gutter supports in, they didn't tie them into the roof joists either. So the first set of nails that pulled out caused a cascading failure that is running the full length of this. The house is less than 8 years old because we have things that were built in it that have dates on it of October of 2004, and this is now July of 2012. So obviously this is a builder who doesn't know what they're doing. They hire the cheapest possible carpenters and get the cheapest possible results. Okay, I've taken down the gutter, loosened some of it up. It's just hanging. It's okay right now. I've secured some of this. Here is the major problem, is that when they put the fascia boards on, they just use nails that almost hit the studs. And they also nailed them going uphill rather than downhill, which means as soon as there's any weight of water, it tends to pull the fascia board from the house. And the gutter is attached to the fascia board, so everything kind of falls. Here is one of the problems. The nails in this piece of fascia are actually just going into air. What I'm going to use is 2-inch long number 8 screws at a downward angle. That should hold this in place, and the weight will tend to tighten up on the screw rather than pull it out. Okay, the fascia board is now reattached using screws. Everything is screwed into the joists. Now I'm reattaching the trim. Then the next step will be to reattach the gutter. There is the final gutter. It's still dirty from being outside, but is now straight and solid. And it will stay put for quite a while. One of the things that I did was where it would bear the most weight of water, I leaned it so that it leans out, or it leans up rather than out. That'll put the weight back near the roof joists and the fascia rather than at the outer edge of the gutter, which will cause the weight bearing to be more vertical than horizontal. This is the set of tools that was required to do the entire job. A hammer, a battery-powered screwdriver, although I had to I have 3 batteries and I had to charge 2 of them. A 1/4-inch socket, a 5/16 inch socket, a drill bit, and a ratcheting screwdriver. 2x4s were used to brace the gutter while I was working on the fascia board. They were just propped up against it using some clamps to hold them together. That's the entire set of tools required to do the entire job.